Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove Yahoo search from your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start just by, if you see an extension up in the top right corner of the browser screen, you can right click on it and then just select remove extension. This would be the Yahoo search extension. Alternatively, you can select the menu icon if you don't see this, and then just select options, select search on the left side, and then you want to click inside this drop down here and select Google or whatever search engine you want that's also in this list. You're welcome to change it. And then once you're done with that, you would go ahead and close out of the browser and relaunch it. Again, if you also had the search icon up here, you could just right click and remove it as well. Just giving you guys an option. You can remove it from the toolbar too. So if we were to close out of here, as you can see, we've already changed our default search engine. So I do like restarting the browser, even though I'm not sure if it's truly necessary to do that. I just like to do that regardless. And you can see Google is now our home page, and if we search for something, it should search with Google. So let me just type in something then, and yep, you can see that it has changed. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.